how to find your save or like spotlights on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step and this is quite easy to do. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now of course you want to go ahead and open up the Snapchat application right here. And once inside, let's go ahead and proceed to the play button at the bottom of our screen, which is basically this one. And once inside, I'll just go ahead and like some random post on Snapchat in order to use it as an example. Now that we have like 3 videos right here on the Snapchat application, the way to go ahead and find them is by heading over to your profile icon. So you can just go ahead and click on this button right here. Once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down and we have the ability to see the favorites and repost. Click on view all and inside we can then go ahead and see all of the like posts on Snapchat. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.